Best Tree Sap Removers safely dissolve stubborn sap, protect your car's paint, prevent permanent damage, and restore a clean, glossy finish effortlessly. My today's video is about top 5 best tree sap removers for car paint that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gliptone Sap Pine Tar and Bug Remover Spray. Gliptone Tree Sap Remover is an excellent solution for restoring your vehicle's exterior without risking paint damage. Its fast-acting formula quickly breaks down both fresh and hardened tree sap, pine tar, and sticky residue, making cleanup simple and efficient. Unlike harsh chemicals that may dull finishes, this non-abrasive formula is safe for clear coats, automotive paint, glass, plastic, chrome, and trim, giving you confidence to use it across your vehicle. It penetrates stubborn buildup effectively, allowing contaminants to wipe away easily without aggressive scrubbing that could leave swirl marks. The convenient trigger spray bottle provides precise application, reducing waste while making spot cleaning quick and mess-free. Backed by Gliptone's decades of professional car care expertise since 1947, this remover reflects a long-standing commitment to quality and performance. Whether you're dealing with seasonal tree sap or persistent road residue, it delivers reliable cleaning results while helping preserve your vehicle's glossy, showroom-quality finish. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Remover Fast-Acting Car Wash. Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Remover is a highly effective pre-wash cleaner that makes removing stubborn bug splatter, tree sap, and road tar quick and effortless. Its fast-acting formula softens baked-on contaminants within seconds, reducing the need for aggressive scrubbing that can create swirl marks or scratches. Safe for paint, glass, chrome, plastic, headlights, grills, and bumpers, it provides powerful cleaning while protecting your vehicle's finish. The versatile formula works equally well in a traditional wash bucket or a foam cannon, delivering excellent coverage and rinsing away cleanly without leaving streaks or residue. Using it before your regular car wash helps loosen bonded debris, allowing for a safer, more thorough wash process. It's especially valuable after highway trips, long commutes, or summer drives when insects and tar quickly accumulate. Combining ease of use, surface safety, and professional-grade cleaning performance, this remover is an excellent addition to any car care routine for maintaining a spotless, well-protected exterior. Our third product is 3D Bug Remover All-Purpose Exterior Cleaner. This bug remover is a practical and effective solution for eliminating stubborn bug splatter, insect residue, and tree sap from your vehicle without unnecessary effort. Its powerful formula quickly penetrates and loosens dried-on buildup, allowing contaminants to wipe away easily with minimal scrubbing. Safe for use on car paint, wax, and clear coats, it also works on plastic, rubber, chrome, aluminum, windows, mirrors, and other exterior surfaces without causing damage. The simple spray and rinse application makes cleaning fast and convenient, helping you restore a clean, polished appearance in minutes. Beyond passenger vehicles, it's equally effective for RVs, boats, motorcycles, semi-trucks, and even various home or office cleaning tasks, making it a versatile addition to any cleaning kit. By removing stubborn residues before they harden further, this cleaner helps preserve your vehicle's finish while reducing the risk of scratches caused by excessive rubbing. It's an excellent all-purpose cleaner for maintaining a spotless, well-protected exterior. Now number 4, Cleansol Mossy Oak Road Grime and Tar Remover. Mossy Oak Tar Remover delivers fast, professional-level cleaning for vehicles exposed to tough outdoor conditions. Its powerful, ready-to-use formula instantly breaks down dried bug splatter, road tar, tree sap, and stubborn grime on contact, eliminating the need for scrubbing or lengthy soaking. Simply spray the affected area, allow it to dwell for 30 to 60 seconds, and wipe clean for impressive results. The paint-safe formula is tested for use on automotive paint, clear coats, ceramic coatings, matte finishes, chrome, plastic trim, and glass, removing contaminants without hazing, dulling, or damaging the surface. Designed for trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and everyday cars. It performs exceptionally well after off-road adventures or long highway drives. Backed by the trusted Mossy Oak name, known for dependable outdoor products since 1986, this remover offers a reliable, hassle-free solution for keeping your vehicle clean and protected. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking quick cleanup while preserving a flawless, showroom-quality finish. And our last choice is Stoner Car Care 9115 Terminator Tar. Stoner Car Care Tar and Sap Remover is a powerful solution for eliminating stubborn contaminants while protecting your vehicle's finish. Its fast-acting formula breaks down tar, tree sap, asphalt, bug splatter, grease, and road grime in as little as 30 to 60 seconds, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Simply spray the affected area, let the product work, and wipe away the residue without aggressive scrubbing. The formula is safe from modern automotive paint, clear coats, and chrome, ensuring effective cleaning without dulling or damaging delicate surfaces. It also penetrates baked-on grime on bumpers, wheels, and body panels, restoring a clean, polished appearance with minimal effort. As a pre-treatment before waxing or polishing, it removes bonded contaminants that can interfere with paint protection, helping waxes and sealants adhere more effectively for longer-lasting results. Proudly made in the USA with premium ingredients, Stoner Car Care delivers reliable, professional-grade performance that helps keep your vehicle looking its absolute best. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.